We all want to keep an eye on our children when we are in our cars. The Shine Arc Baby Car Mirror can help you do just that. It's like having a baby monitor in the car with you. The Shine Arc Baby Car Mirror has a lightweight design. It is made with an impact-resistant acrylic safety glass, surrounded by a black, curved ABS plastic frame. In the event of a crash or accident, you can ensure your baby is safe due to its shatterproof design. The mirror is simple and quick to install. The black polymer plastic holds the mirror tightly in place. The easy-to-fit mirror attaches in seconds to the rear seat headrest. The mirror is equipped with adjustable nylon straps, making it compatible with most vehicles. It rotates 360 degrees for a clear view at your desired viewing angle. Because of the wide-angle mirror design, it always allows you to have full sight of your precious infant when they are in a rear-facing baby seat. With a lifetime satisfaction guarantee, if you or your precious cargo are not 100% satisfied, simply return it for a full refund at any time.